All right, so as you see, space. Now it's time to load this baby up with everything that I need. I'm gonna get put on. So today we're going to see if we can get the catback put on for the 2019 Mustang GT. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and throw everything up in here. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, you know, share the video, and you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. Yep, right, that guy go in the back seat. Yep, that was a big mistake. All right, this will be it. As you can see, mufflers, instructions, because you know, never know, even though they certified, but hey, still take the instructions. Couplings, clamps, instructions, X pipe, mufflers, and the pipes is in the back. The down pipes, mid pipes, crack pipes, all types of pipes is in my back seat. So other than that, I see y'all at the dealership or whenever. But yeah, about to go ahead, hop into this thing. Get my little BORLA hat and twist on. I gotta get my hair retwisted, but you know, still looking good, you know, all up in this beauty, you know, 2019's thing. Make sure you follow the social media, make sure you follow Snapchat, and make sure you subscribe to DeAndre 10K, because you know I'm always keeping it 10K. Last time you gonna hear some stock mufflers, hopefully. Oh, well, remember what I tell you? Clutch in, foot on the brake, hit the button. All right, y'all hit it for me. Thank y'all so much. Got the pipes in the back, crack pipes and all types of pipes. So I'm on my way to the dealership. As you see, this is my current car setup. I got Simba in the front. I got the mount up there in case if I want to get y'all a different view. Who remember this little area on one of my YouTube videos? Racing. Yeah, but to me it's kind of late. Heard to try to run up here and see what they can do, what they cannot do for me. But you know it's all good. Oh, it's another Mustang. But my Mustang is better. Ah! All right, so let me give y'all the rundown of what just happened. I'm gonna back this up. But they do appointments only. They say it's a little pricey, but they do appointments only because they say it takes a little while. But tomorrow, I'm gonna have the hat on, represent BORLA. We talked about BORLA ATAKS and everything. There's, you know, S-Stinger types and everything. They asked me what kind I got. I told BORLA ATAKS. He said, man, that's loud. You're gonna be happy. You're gonna be surprised by it and everything. So, man, I can't wait. I can't wait, y'all. So, I'm scheduled for tomorrow. I mean, when he said pricey, the price he's talking about, it's really not that much to me. I'm not trying to be cocky or anything, but you know, I can throw that to him. But I have to have the car dropped off here tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, and he said he'll have it done a little bit before lunch. So, you know, that's probably like around 11 to 12. So, man, I can't wait. So, I can't wait. I'm gonna get a little pull in for you guys. This is gonna be the last pull in the stock. Windows down. Man, I can't wait. As you see, man, it's morning time. I woke up with the BORLA hat. That's how you know I'm serious. Go ahead, hop in this thing. Last morning start with stock exhaust. I see out the dealership.
All right, I'm on it. I'll go.
All right.
Lights are in the back. Okay. All right. Awesome.
All right. Yeah, I had told him the pipes and everything is in the back trunk and everything.
Make sure you take your house keys off there. You can't do nothing without that bar. That's hard.
Get out of here.
Last time it's going. So stop. Oh dang, you over there.
Don't do that.
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. It's all you right here, mama. It's all you right here. It's all you right here.
I don't like the company seats, but
Well, you don't like the Recaro seats?
no, I don't like I don't like this up there. No. I have to. Yes, baby, I can see me.
Look at mama in the 350.
This is it here.
See, on the inside, you'll feel like you're in something luxury, but when you step out on the outside, you'll be like, damn, I forgot I'm in a sports car.
It's nice here. We been waddling this baby because it's crater you.
Big
You see how the seats crater you?
Yeah, that's what I.
Like it's hugging.
That's why I had wanted the
You got a
Recaros at
man
first.
just hugging on tight, baby.
Oh Lord, here we go, y'all.
Woo! All right.
If this is
It's the right
still,
color at
if this is
all.
still here 6 months later, I will come back and try to get this. So I have a 5.0 and a
This
350.
is love here. I like that one. Yeah.
Me and the Mama Duke, we just out here checking out cars and everything. The Stang is here, man. Just be ready, cause I know I'm ready, man. I can't stop talking about it, especially yesterday. It's my point exactly. I'm ready for all of that, man. This is what I've been waiting for. Like I said yesterday, I ain't get much to do. I ain't get a chance to do much with my 2018, and I had it for almost like a year. So, man, this time,
Makeup time, baby.
yeah, I just gotta, man, wherever I want with it, I can go all out. So, what's the point of having a sports car? I mean, you can't. I mean, I'm gonna make it do what it gotta do, but
They
man,
don't see you. They damn sure gonna hear you.
yeah, they gonna see me. They gonna see me because of the color. I mean, look what color shorts you got on. They gonna see you later, man. Pulling back up at the dealership. You know what it is. Got that call. They said that it's ready, and she sounded like a beast. So when I hit the streets, I'm ready to feast. Dang, look at them tips on that joint. Ooh. Difference between them and mine.
Is yours back in your trunk?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna see what they done with them.
Yeah. Hopefully they put them. You won't. It's locked.
Yeah, come on.
Make sure they put them back in your trunk.
Them junk is tough. They tough. I got first startup.
You can't calm them down.
Yeah, in quiet mode, but what's the point of quieting it down?
I'm talking for the neighbors.
Oh, for the neighbors? Oh,
yeah,
well.
for the neighborhood. You know, you don't want to do the neighbors like that.
Well, we just gonna have to find out. Let's go, boy. Shout out BORLA. Sorry, neighbors.